What's up, YouTube? This is Bullseye8231, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the brake light on a 2012 Nissan Rogue. This will be the same on most Nissan Rogues, probably exactly the same on 2006 through 2017, somewhere around there. So the only tools you're going to need is a ratchet with a 10mm socket. So the first thing you want to do is open up your hatch. Go right here. You can see there is a 10mm bolt holding this brake light in place. So I'm gonna go ahead and take that bolt off. It's not an extremely long bolt, but once you get the bolt loose, you see it's kind of wiggly, but it's still going to be in place. There's going to be two clips in the back, and I think there's one up here in the front. So all you're going to do is kind of get behind it and kind of pull. All right, so I kind of do like a little lifting motion, and it snaps out like that. I'm going to turn this over and show you the clips. These are the clips here. They look like you got two in the back. You got one here on the front. So that's what's holding it in. So you get it out like that. All right, so it's actually going to be the bottom one here. That top one is not. But if you look here, there's a little clip holding the wire harness in. So you want to disconnect that. And then the bulb is free. It's going to be a double element bulb. So if we look inside this one, you can see it's all burnt up. So I'm going to get a new bulb and change it out. If you look here, you got the numbers on here. This is a 7443 bulb, so you want to make sure you get a clear 7443 bulb to replace it. So I'm gonna grab a new one and pop the new one in. All right, so we got the new bulb. This is a 7443 double element bulb. As you can see, this is a brand new one, 5 watt. So basically what you're gonna do is this is just a push-in bulb. So you want to just line up the the bulbs in the connector and push it in. Then you're going to put your bulb back into the canister like this. Make sure you turn it. You'll hear it click just like that. I'll do this again so you can make sure you hear the click. Hear the click. Then you're going to take your wire, put your wire back into the wire holder. And then what I'm going to do is turn the light back up, and you want to make sure that you're going to line up all of these holes properly. So we're going to make sure the back is lined up, make sure the front's lined up, get it all lined up real good, and then I'm going to push it back into place, and you can hear it pop. So it went back into place, and now you're going to put your 10mm back in and tighten it down with your ratchet. All right, so once the bolt is tightened, your light should be secured. If you happen to break one of those clips while you're pulling it out, it's probably a good idea to get a new one. I'm sure they sell them, and you could just pop them in your light and they'll be ready to go. So now we're just gonna check the brake light, the brakes, and make sure it works. All right, so now we're gonna check the light, make sure it works. All right, light's working good. And now you have successfully changed your brake light on your Nissan Rogue. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more videos and how-tos on Nissan Rogues. And feel free to comment with any questions you may have.